Y'all need to pick up one of these pet water fountains. So you'll know when the water's running low because you'll actually see it running low. Plus there's this gauge on the front that'll say when it's low. All you gotta do is take some filtered or whatever water you use and pour it right in the top. I just clean mine, so I'm not doing a full clean right now, but sometimes I'll take it fully apart, run it through the dishwasher because it's dishwasher safe, and then refill it. But it's not gonna overflow if you pour through the top. Cats are actually naturally attracted to running water, so it's gonna increase their hydration by a bunch. As you can see, my cat Pepper really going in on hers, and boom, she's a happy camper. Because of the TikTok Shop Mother's Day sale that's going on right now, these things are 30% off, so click the link in the bottom left if you want to pick one up.